There comes a moment after 65 when you begin to notice something quietly shifting inside your body. You walk every day, you try to stay active, you eat fairly well, and yet something feels off. The stairs seem a little steeper than they used to be. Getting out of a chair takes more effort. Your balance doesn't feel as steady as it once was. You tell yourself it's just aging, just part of the process, something everyone goes through. But what if I told you the real reason might not be age, but the wrong type of exercise? What if I told you that walking, the activity everyone praises, may not be enough to save your strength? And in some cases, it might even be allowing your muscles to weaken faster. I know that sounds shocking. I know it goes against everything we've been taught. But stay with me, because what you are about to learn can change the next 20 years of your life. It can give you back your balance, your strength, your confidence, your independence, and the feeling of being powerful in your own body again. Here's the truth very few people over 65 are ever told. After a certain age, your muscles adapt to walking so completely that they stop getting stronger from it. Walking becomes like background noise. Your muscles hear it, but they stop responding. It benefits your heart, your mind, your mood, and your circulation, but it does almost nothing to rebuild the muscle fibers that help you stand up from a chair, lift your groceries, catch yourself if you stumble, or protect your bones during a fall. And that's why so many seniors who walk daily still struggle with the basics. Rising from a chair without pushing on their hands, climbing stairs without holding the railing, or maintaining balance on uneven ground. It's not because they aren't active. It's because they aren't sending their muscles the right kind of message. Your body is intelligent. After 65, it needs a stronger signal, a more targeted stimulus, something that commands the muscles to wake up, rebuild, and grow again. And that signal comes from 3 surprisingly simple surgeon-approved exercises that take less than 10 minutes a day. 3 movements that research shows can dramatically reduce fall risk, rebuild leg strength, improve upper body function, sharpen balance, and restore confidence faster than walking alone ever could. These exercises don't require a gym. They don't require expensive equipment. They don't require hours of your time. All they require is commitment, a few minutes, a few times a week, and the willingness to believe that you can get stronger again, no matter your age. Before we begin, I want you to breathe deeply and imagine something powerful. Imagine yourself standing up from a chair with ease. Imagine walking into a room with quiet strength. Imagine bending down to tie your shoes without fear of losing balance. Imagine traveling again without worrying whether you'll fall. Imagine being able to rely on your own legs, your own muscles, your own stability. That image is not a dream. It's not something for younger people only. You can rebuild, you can strengthen, you can rise again. Your body is waiting, just waiting for the right message. So let's get into the first exercise, the one surgeons around the world now consider a cornerstone of senior strength, the sit-to-stand, also known as the chair squat. This isn't just an exercise, it is a direct test and powerful builder of independence. To begin, find a sturdy chair that doesn't slide. Stand in front of it with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your toes pointing forward, not outward. Now push your hips back as if you're going to sit. Control the movement. Slow, steady, stable. Lower yourself until you just barely touch the chair, not sitting fully, not relaxing. The moment your body lightly touches the seat, drive through your heels and stand up tall again. Feel your thighs engage. Feel your glutes fire. Feel your core tighten. This is the exact movement pattern your body needs to master to remain independent at 70, 80, and even 90. Studies show that this single exercise can reduce fall risk by up to 50%. It strengthens the muscles that keep you stable on stairs. It trains your legs to react quickly, and it improves something far more important, the connection between your brain and your muscles. Because as we age, this connection weakens, but the sit-to-stand lights it back up. Start with 5 repetitions 3 times a week. Don't worry if it feels tough. Tough is a sign of growth. Tough is a sign of change. Tough is a sign that your body is waking up. Now let's move to the second exercise, the wall push-up. Many seniors underestimate how important upper body strength is. But let me make it clear, your arms are your backup system. If you trip, it's your arms that help you catch yourself. If you need to get off the bed, it's your arms that push you up. If you carry groceries or lift something overhead, it's your chest, shoulders, and triceps that do the work. That's why the wall push-up is one of the most functional and essential movements you can do. Stand at arm's length from the wall. Place your palms flat, shoulder width apart, and slightly higher than your chest. Bend your elbows as you slowly lean toward the wall. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle, not flared out like wings. Go forward for 2 full seconds. Feel your chest muscles activate. Then press back for 1 strong, controlled second. Aim for 8 to 10 repetitions. This exercise builds strength that protects your daily life, helping you push open a heavy door, rise from a soft couch, support yourself if your foot slips, or even help prevent injury if you need to grab something quickly. Most importantly, it teaches your upper body to stay awake, engaged, and responsive. Qualities that often fade with age, but can be restored. And now the final exercise, the movement that sharpens balance, coordination, and stability better than walking ever could. The standing march with arm swing. Balance isn't just about strong legs. It's a combination of your brain, your core, your reflexes, and your body's ability to coordinate movement. That's why this exercise is so powerful. Stand tall behind a sturdy chair, lightly holding the back for support if needed. Lift your right knee toward your hip while swinging your left arm forward, as if marching in slow motion. Then gently lower your leg and arm. Switch sides, left knee up, right arm forward. Continue this pattern for 30 seconds. Rest briefly. Repeat it twice more. This movement trains your body for real life, stepping off a curb, shifting your weight unevenly, climbing stairs, stopping yourself from tipping, or adjusting your balance when the ground is not perfectly flat. It activates your core, which is the center of your stability, and it improves the communication between your brain and legs, a connection that weakens with age but can be rebuilt through movements like this. Every controlled march strengthens the pathways that help prevent falls. Every balanced step increases your confidence. Every moment of focus tells your brain, yes, I am still capable. Yes, I can still improve. Yes, my body still responds. And here's the beautiful part. These 3 exercises together create a synergy far greater than walking alone. Walking keeps you moving. These exercises keep you strong. Walking keeps you moving. These exercises keep you strong. Walking keeps your heart happy. These movements keep your muscles alive. Walking helps you feel active. These exercises help you stay independent. All it takes is 3 sessions a week, 10 minutes a session, a short moment in your day, a lifetime of change waiting on the other side. Now I want you to do something important. Wherever you're sitting or standing right now, I want you to rise, gently, safely. And try 1 single sit to stand, just 1. Feel your legs engage, feel your spine align, feel the strength that still lives inside you. That feeling is your reminder that your best days are not behind you. That feeling is your proof that your muscles are not gone. They are waiting for your signal, waiting for your effort, waiting for your courage. Strength is not about youth. Strength is about choice. And today, you are choosing to rebuild. If this message has inspired you, please write "I'm starting today" in the comments. I read every single message, and your courage motivates others in ways you cannot imagine. Like this video so it can reach more seniors who need it. Subscribe to the Seniors Hub and join a community of people who believe that age is not a limit. It is simply a chapter. Next week, I'll reveal the #1 protein mistake that is silently destroying muscle in people over 65. You don't want to miss it. And before you go, share this video with a parent, a friend, or someone you care about. Remind them they are stronger than they think. Remind them it is never too late. Remind them that rebuilding begins with 1 decision. And today, you made yours.